Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to explore the latest update to Vikn Books, which introduces an incredible feature enabling users to effortlessly manage multiple branches within the application. Let's dive into how the branches option works in Vikn Books. To get started, open Vikn Books and locate the settings button situated at the top right corner. Give it a click. Within the settings, you'll find the Enable Branch option. Activate it. Now, you'll see the Branches option on the left side. Click on it. Here, you can view the current branch. Click on the Add Branch button on the right side to introduce a new branch. A box will open, allowing you to add the profile of the branch. Hit Branch Name and enter the desired name in your preferred language. Add a nickname and click the Next button. Upon hitting Next, select the transaction series from the box that appears. To add a new transaction series, click on the Settings button on the right side of the box. A new tab will open. Here, you can enter the series name and save it. Return to the previous tab and enter the warehouse, cash account, and bank account details. All the information will be readily available, and you can edit it if necessary. Click the Next button. In the opening box, you'll find options like Product Specific, Customer Specific, and Supplier Specific. Choose whether to make it specific or common. After making your selection, click Save. And there you have it. That's how you can seamlessly create and manage branches in Vikn Books. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.